This conference will now be recorded.
Once again, good morning, everyone. Last class, we discussed Python related. So far, we discussed variables, data types, and we discussed data types, operators, conditional statements, iterative statements, conditional statements, like we discussed if, else if, and we discussed if else. And also, we discussed iterative statements like for loop and while loop. We discussed transfer statements, break, continue, break and continue. Uh, Today we are going to discuss few more things. Okay, so we will discuss today about so in the data types we are having a string data type, list, tuple, dictionary, tuple, and dictionary. These are all the important data types. So there are multiple methods. So after these data types, we'll go for functions and then modules and packages. Okay, so this is about the core Python related. So we have to discuss these things: string, list, tuple, dictionary, functions, modules, and packages. So as part of today's session, I am going to discuss with you string operations. I'm going to discuss on string operation. So consider, let me open GPT, space notebook. So here automatically it will be redirected. Here go to desktop, go to free Python. Here I'm going to create a new notebook, which is a string operations. Okay, so first string we have to declare three ways. So we have to declare single quotes, double quotes, triple single quotes, and triple double quotes. These I discussed in the last session. So when we discussed in the data types, I discussed this one. Consider I'm having a string welcome. Control enter to execute this one. So I'm going to take a new cell. So the shortcut is this one. Escape control B. A new cell will be created. Okay. Here in the new cell we can create like this also. New cells we can create like this also. So on top of the string we can do slicing operation. Slicing operation. And also, so if you want to access the string elements using index you can access the characters. So first of all I have to say this one. String is a collection of characters. String is a collection of characters. String we have to define like this: single quotes, double quotes, triple single quotes, triple double quotes. So string str1 equal to welcome. So if you want to access the string elements, we can use the index position. We can use index position, string one of 0. Okay, string one of 1 colon 5. So here it is going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4. So always end element minus 1. So it is going to 1, 2, 3, 4. End element minus 1. These I discussed in the data types, guys. So that's why I'm going to discuss fast. So here step size is 2, so it is going to take 1, 3, 5 positions. Now the same thing, we can take the negative index also, -3. So this is the slicing operation, indexes. So these are all the slicing operation. You observe here, guys, string 1 equal to welcome, type of the variable. You can see str string. Now you can see dir. What are the predefined methods available on the string is there are many methods are available on the string. Okay, there are many methods available on the string. So out of which I am going to discuss on the couple of methods. There are many predefined methods are there. You no need to do anything, automatically it can. For suppose observe here str1 equal to welcome. Okay. Now str1 of, okay, so you can write like this str1 of uppercase, print str1 of lowercase. Or suppose here I am going to write welcome to PVR Cloud Tech. This is my string. Here upper all converted into uppercase, lower all converted into lowercase. Okay. So here for suppose if I am having like this, okay, uppercase all converted into uppercase, lowercase all converted into lowercase. Yes, please make self mute. Now there is a, see here you can see a lower. I used lower. I used upper. So there is a one more way which is a, okay, swap case. Print of str1 of swap case. Lower into upper, upper to lower. Lower to upper, upper to lower. Okay, you can see swapping. Similar way, print of str1 of title. First character of each and every word is capital letter. So here these are all small letters right now. Now after applying the title, you can see first character in each word is a uppercase, remaining all small cases. Okay. So first character in each word is a uppercase, remaining all small cases. So that is about the couple of methods: upper, lower, swap, title. Okay. Now here one more thing. I am having a string. There is a few more methods. Okay. Is alpha, is a digit, is alphanumeric, is upper, is lower. Okay. Do we have any is title? So you can see multiple. Okay. Is a title, is upper. You can see multiple. Okay. So what it is going to do is it is going to check whether the given string is a alphabet or not. Whether the given string is a alphabet or not. Okay, guys, did I start recording? 1 second. Yeah, sorry. So it is going to give you whether the given string is a alphabet or not, and is digit, whether the given string is a digit or not. Consider an example. String one equal to, okay, for suppose mobile number. Okay, mobile number equal to. If I write like this, actually mobile number I am expecting a string, sorry, digits only. Is it contains all digit is false because it doesn't contain any digits. Same thing, I'm going to write, okay, mobile number, is it a digit or not? Yes, true, because all are digits, so it is going to return the true. Now, for suppose if I am having a character, now observe here, it is false. It is false. So here, is digit is expecting all are digit or not. Similar way, is alpha, which is expecting all are true or uh, all characters should be alphabets. String one equal to, okay, string one, str1 dot is alpha, true, because all are alphabets only. False because this is not a alphabet. All, I mean, this is a numerical. It is not alphabets, so it is going to throw error. So here is alpha check whether all characters in string given string is alphabets or not. It is going to check whether all the characters in the given string is digits or not. It can be only alphabets and numeric. You have given any special characters, it will not. All characters, uppercase or not. All characters, digits or not. Sorry, lowercase or not. It is lowercase. It is going to return boolean value true. Otherwise, it is going to return the boolean value false. Now consider, I am writing a program, mobile number validation. Mobile number validation. So mobile number should contain 10 digits, should contain 10 characters, all are digits only. All are digits only. Now, str1 equal to input of enter mobile number. If length of mobile number equal to 10 and mobile number contains all digits, then I can check valid mobile number. Otherwise, I can check print invalid mobile number. Enter mobile number. I am going to enter valid mobile number. Observe here, I entered the mobile number with 9 characters only. With 9 characters only. Invalid because this condition is failed. We are using and if both are true, then only it is going to true. The first statement and second statement, if both are true, then only it is going to return the true. Otherwise, it is going to return the false. Okay, so these are all the conditions. So in this case, I can use is digit, whether all the given digits or not. For suppose, so I'm having the is alpha. Okay, I'm having a first name. So name should contain characters only. So whether all the entered characters or not, then it is a valid name. Otherwise, it is an invalid name. Okay. Those cases we can use this one. Guys, up to now clear or not? Hello? Guys, are you clear or not up to here? Okay. Now, now. So I am having a string like this. I am having a string like this. In this string, I want only name. I want only name. So you can write like this. Okay. So this is the string I have. Okay. So I have a one person details like this. Now, if I am having the multiple persons, okay, for suppose I am having a list of values, this is one record. This is another person details. Now, for str1 in the list, print of str1. First time string is like this line. Second time string is this line. So in this case, this is similar to here. If you want to get the name, you are using like this. So I am using the same thing here. So for first you will get the value which is expected one, but second the value is different because the position is different. Zero position, first position, second position, fourth position, fine. Okay, but number of characters is different. So here you will not get the output, required output. But my requirement is I want only names. So in these cases, instead of using the index position, we can use the split function. So here in Python, we are having a string split function. Here we can split the string into multiple. The result is a list. So observe here, I am going to split this one. Means I am going to make it into multiple parts such a way that based on what? So here the common thing is a, see here you can see split with comma. Now observe the output is a list, right? In this list I can take the zero position. So the output is a list. In this list I can take the first position which is a name. Yes, this is very very important. Okay, so make sure, okay, split is going to divided with this one. Now in the list first position which is this one. So here the data is in the similar pattern here also. Okay, because this is also delimited one. Now what I'm going to do is instead of using this one, so here I'm going to split this one. Here you can get the list of values. You can get the list of values. Among all, I want to take the only first position. Among all, I'm going to take the only first position. Okay. So this is the way we can do. This is the way we can do. Okay. So this is very, very important, guys. Here in the real time, you will get the data in terms of files. From the file, we can convert the lines into a list. From the list, if you want to extract the required data, we can use the split function. we can use the split function. Here there is a one more, which is, yeah. Anyone, any doubt?
Can the delimiter be anything
Yeah, can you,
instead of
yeah,
anything?
delimiter. So here, whatever the delimiter that you have to specify here. For
Okay, can we
suppose,
use the space also as a delimiter? Can we use the space also as a delimiter?
yeah, let me tell you. So as you are asking, so I am writing a sentences like this. Okay. So here I am having welcome to PBR Cloud Tech. Okay. Welcome to Python World. Welcome to data engineering. So I want all of them into individual words. Okay, all of them into individual words. So here for item in list, print item. Okay, each line is an item. This item I am going to split with space. Okay, list. So here you can see the list of values. Okay. Now here, so take this one as an assignment. Okay. I'm having a account details like this. So which is having multiple details. All are delimited with the hash symbol. Okay. Account ID, account name, delimited with hash. Okay. Okay, you can take any account number. Okay. So my requirement is, so here I want to get only person name and its branch. Sorry, its bank name. I want output. I want output person details. Okay. Or account details. I want output like this star. Okay. Account number colon 12234. I want output like this. Account name, bank name, branch name. So here guys, similar way I want for remaining also. So here I am going to explain this one here itself. Okay. Okay. This one I want output like this. So here what I am doing is, guys, observe this one carefully. So by seeing this one, I can consider, I can understand the data is delimited with hash symbol. Now for account in account underscore details, print account. Something is wrong here. So what is wrong? So here it should not contain comma. Something wrong again. So the spelling mistake. Okay. Now each and every item I am going to split because I want multiple things here. So list equal to account dot split with hash. Now print list. Okay. In this list, I want output like this, right? Account details, right? So here I am going to print a message. Print account details. Print star. Now take a variable account number equal to in the list 0 position. Account name equal to in the list first position. Bank name equal to in the list second position. Branch name equal to in the list third position. Now I want to print the details. Okay, this is the variable. This is the branch name. Now instead of that, I want a messages like this. So the print statement I am going to write like this. Okay. For suppose each iteration I want certain gap. Each iteration I want certain gap. So here what I am doing is print slash n 2 lines gap. This one clear or not? Okay. Now once you got the list of values, we can do all these circus. Okay. So for suppose I have a file, I want to read from the file. So there is a separate functions to read the files into a list. Once it is in the list, you can use this one. So split is very important, guys. Going forward, we are using in multiple places. We are using this split operation. Okay. Now next, observe here. I'm having a list of elements. I'm having a list of elements like this. For suppose list equal to okay. Now, my requirement is I want output like this. In this case, we divided the string into multiple elements. Now the requirement is I am having a multiple elements, all I want into one single string. So I am having a multiple elements, all I want to make it into a single string. To do that, we have to use, there is a predefined function join. Okay. So whatever the list of elements dot, so you can see this one dot hash join of list. You can see whatever the elements will be combined as a single string. Okay, for suppose here I am using pipe symbol. Now this one. So whatever the list of elements we can combine. Okay. Consider I am having a list of elements like this. Now I want output this one underscore this one. Okay. So underscore HDFC underscore Kondam. Okay, only I want only three elements. Okay, so this we can do in multiple ways, guys. Okay, this we can do multiple ways. Take individual, take individual, and then you can use a concat. Take individual and then use concat. That is one way. That is one way. Another way is we can do join. So observe here. This we can do in multiple ways, guys. Got this one. So I am going to take one more list. It is having account number, account name, bank name. So here this list I am going to join with underscore. Okay. Now observe the output. One second, list object has no attribute join. Sorry, syntax is mistake. Syntax mistake. Join of result. Okay. Those scenarios we can use like this. Here we can use like this. Okay. Next, one more. So there is a string format functions. String format. Okay. Observe this one, guys. I'm having ID 101 name Srinivas. Next ID name salary equal to. Okay. Now observe this one. This is the variables. If my requirement is Person ID is 101, name is Srinivas, and salary is 50. Okay, guys, 1 minute. Sorry guys, I getting some office call. Okay. Now I want to output this one. So this you already written like this. Okay, this you already written like this. Print person ID is, comma ID, name is, name is. You are already having a name, and salary is already having a salary. This is one way to write. This is one way to write. Now the same thing we can do like this also. Person ID is. So here, observe this one. You can observe like this. Okay. Print dot. Okay. Do one thing. You can write like this. String one equal to dot format of ID name salary. Print str1. Now observe here. This is the one. Now the same thing here if I use a hyphen. Hyphen. Okay. So if you use a hash symbol, I mean backslash. So here make sure what happened is first curly brace is represent this one, second curly brace represent this one, third curly brace represent this one. Now the same thing observe here. Okay. So here I am writing person ID is, comma, name is, and salary is. Now you can see the output. So with this curly brace will take the first one. Second curly brace will take the second one. Third curly brace is they take the third one. Okay. Now observe this one. Now the same thing we can go like this also. This is the zero position. This is the first position. This is the second position. So zero I can take, one, two. Okay. Now the same thing, zero, 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 two. So this is the zero position. This is the first position, and this is the second position. I am going to take the zero positions only. Now see the output. Zero position only. So Here, if you do not specify anything, if you do not specify anything, sequential order it is going to take. If you specify the positions, so it will be 0, 1 and 2 position. Okay. So if I want to use multiple times same variable, you can use this one 0 position 1. Now the same thing I can write like this also. Okay. So here I have given A equal to B equal to C equal to. Now here I can use like this. A, B. Because I used B 2 times, so you can take it will take like this. This is one more way we can use this one. This is one more way we can use. Okay. Now consider I am having a requirement, I am having a statement. Okay, I am having a statement. Python is a programming language. Python is open source. Python is extensible. For suppose I am having a three statements. Now I am having a different languages. Now I want these statements. I want these statements for all. For all means these three statements. I want output like this. Similar way, I want output with this one also. Similar way, I want output with this one also. Okay. So like this, I want for remaining also. I want output. Here in this case, you have to observe the pattern. Only the language is going to change. Here the pattern is same. Okay. So same for different languages. Only this portion is going to change. This portion is same. Only this portion is going to change. Now in these cases, what I am doing is I am going to derive the string. Okay, I am going to derive the string. So here I am writing like this. Okay. So here format I am going to specify a okay Python. For suppose here I am writing a language equal to Python. Now I am going to specify language. So here what happened is reach index 1 out of range. So here what happened is I am having a 3 extensions. So I have to use 3. Okay, or so here this is the 0 position. I am going to use the 0 position here. You can see the output. Now the same thing for I want for multiple languages. So what I am going to do is whatever the languages I have, whatever the languages I have. Okay. So now what I am going to do is the same thing. Here I am writing for language in languages. Into language. Now here this one. Now in this one I am going to, instead of taking this one, okay, so I am going to take this value. Now print str1. Now the loop will be repeated, first time Python, first time Java, first time like this. Now observe the output. Okay, so this is the way we can write a automation scripts, guys. Consider I am having a table names like this. I am having a employee table. Okay, DEPT. Just consider those who know SQL, they can understand this one. If you do not know, consider this is a string, account. Okay, so my requirement is I want output a statement like this. Insert into EMP, select star from EMP underscore stage. I want a statement like this. So the same statement I want for multiple. Okay, here I am having this value. Or suppose here I am having 100 of table names. I want output statements 100 like this. So you no need to write 100 times a print statement. So whatever the table names, all you can take it into one list. Now observe this one, for table name in the list, print table. Now the same thing, but I want a select statement like this. So instead of this one, I am going to take this one, and here instead of this one, I am going to take this one. So here dot format of table. So this is a 0 position. Here you can use 0 position. Okay. So if you want to generate the script, you can do like this. You can do like this. For suppose, okay, for suppose I am having a column names like this. I am having a dictionary. I am having a dictionary. For EMP, the column names are employee ID, employee name, salary. I am having a list. For DEPT, I am having a list of columns like DEPT number, DEPT name. For account, so make sure you should have the same here. I want output, you can see account ID, account name. Now my requirement is my requirement is I want output, insert into EMP, select these column names I want, employee ID, employee name, salary from employee underscore stage. Similar way, okay, similar way, DEPT. So here these are all the columns. I want to generate the script like this. Guys, online folks, can you able to understand or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
So here I want to generate the script dynamically. So nowadays, testing people or everybody, they have to write some automation scripts. Okay, those cases we can use this one. Now, consider I'm having a list of tables like this. Okay, so here I can maintain, okay, I'm having a dictionary. Okay, so here, as per this output, I can say target. So guys, at the time of returning the script, at the time of declaring these keys, make sure, okay, so based on the, you are generating the, what is the output you are expecting, according to that, you have to prepare that one. So observe here. Now, list equal to dictionary of keys. Now print a list. These are all the table names. List. Per table underscore name in the list, print table underscore name. These are all the table names. Now, so now, okay, okay. If you are concerned, item, okay. So table underscore name equal to item, okay. Now table underscore name, dpt. Now columns list equal to, for this table I want this value. Using key we can access the value. So here I can say dictionary of one, getting the item. Now you can see table and columns list. From here I want to get everything into one single value, single column. So here I can use, okay, I am going to prepare this one. As I know, join print, okay, comma dot join of columns underscore list. So here you can see this one, right? Okay. Now from this one I'm going to prepare print. So here next columns string equal to join of columns underscore list. Okay. Now you can see insert into, okay, this one, select from this one. So here I am going to use a format of insert into target table, this one. So this is the first position, table name, insert into this one, select columns in list. I am going to make it a single string, column string from, okay. So here whatever the table name underscore stage. So here you can see this one. Insert into EMP, select from EMP stage, select from department stage. So dynamically it is going to prepare the script. Now I have used the print statement. Now this data I can write it to the file also. So coming classes I will let you know. So this is the way we can preparing the scripts, guys. Using for loop, list, dictionary, you can prepare automation scripts like this. Okay. So I'm going to share this one. So go through the recording, understand this one once again. So nowadays people are have to write automation scripts like this. Okay. So go to this one, guys. So tomorrow we'll discuss few more things on string operations. Anything else, guys, online folks? Thank you.